sa magandang tumambay. Sa magandang tumambay dito. Yung may babae, nagsasayaw. Ay! Nagsasayaw!
Tomorrow feels like sunlight spilling through the blinds. I don't know if I'll reach it, maybe I won't mind. I keep returning, tracing steps I left behind, as if the past could teach me what I'd like to find. The morning moves the colors.
Yun guys, no? Dito mo kami sa Tagaytay. Sinundo ako ng mga tropa ko.
Hindi pare, parang kanina eh, late mo lang kanina.
Ang bilis nyo!
Ang laki mo na.
Ba't ang bilis nyo?
Bagal pa eh.
Kain tayo, gutom na ako eh. So yun guys, oh! Magandang gabi sa mga viewers natin dyan.
Saan tayo?
Salamat at sinundo nyo ako.
Saan daw tayo?
Magsisimba. Doon tayo sa may... San Roque yata yun.
Niluluhod.
Luluhod tayo. Manunod tayo ng mga... Para dyan ang opisina namin pare. Ito.
Hindi nila, lakad nyo lang.
Oo. Ang sarap dyan, pre. Pati waiter, solid.
Ay, kaya pala.
Duty kaya? Ay! Ang sarap dito, pare. Masarap ang pagkain. Medyo, ayun o. Susubukan natin i-rate yung kanilang restaurant.
Yung service pare.
Quality.
Quality
Oo, may masahe pa. Solid dito, pare. Oh, di ba? Solid. Oh, di mo? Solid. So yun guys, no? Sige, kita tayo ulit mamaya.
Hindi kita.
Oh, ganda mo, ano?
So, huwag masyadong zoom. Huwag mo. Yan.
Paluto ako ng pansit.
21 to 23. Ano? Nagagawin ka? Ano? Bakit? Pare, masaya ka nang nakaraan taon. Bible study kami. Bible study kami. Pare, ipapaalala ko sa iyo.
Pinipilit ko naman ako eh.
Oh, I wish we had stayed misplaced. Got somewhere to be, but don't wanna leave. Just one
Hindi
more
pa?
drink.
Ikaw mo na yun.
Don't wanna think about anywhere, anyone else. Maybe I could have loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned? Maybe we were twin flames in a past life. Same souls with different names in a past life, in a past life. Heartbreak, keeping in time with the beat of that old refrain. Sideways,
Galing yan.
like a
Kapulot ko doon. Nalaglag ng tricycle.
I can't shake the feeling of losing something that we just found. One in a million, once in a lifetime.
Ano, ban ako dyan, ano? Daw yun? O, tara. Gusto mo yun eh.
Maybe I could have loved you in another
Hindi, pag sasama ako sa LU. Basta magpaano ka ngayong weekend. Ano ba, Sabado ba linggo? Bakit? Sabado linggo? Gusto mo na? Linggo.
Meet you in a dream. I'll meet you in a dream. I'll meet you in a dream.
Tomorrow feels like sunlight spilling through the blinds. I don't know if I'll reach it, maybe I won't mind. I keep returning, tracing steps I left behind, as if the past could teach me what I'd like to find.